Gradient of a line is rise over run. Changing y, changing x, and you're almost done. Check the slope of the line to find the sign. Up is plus, down is minus, and you'll be fine. The area of a trapezium can be tricky. Go by the formula and it might get sticky. Use the definition and you'll always go right. The average of the parallel sides times the height. The circumference of the circle is pi times diameter. Don't confuse it with pi r squared, cause that's the area. Two sides of a right angle triangle, and get the third by using Pythagoras. Just remember the words. The longest side squared minus the shorter side squared is equal to the length of the other side squared. If you know an angle, then you'll have to use trig. Remember SOHCAHTOA and it'll do the trick. Label the right sides opposite and adjacent, then use the right formula and you're off to the races. Expand the squared bracket by using my shortcut. Square the first, square the last, and twice the product. The area of a triangle has complications, especially when you consider the variation. So ditch the formula and use the description. Half times the length times the sine angle between them. Sine or cosine, it depends on the cases. It's not that difficult, just learn to embrace it. Use cosine if all sides are given, or if you have two sides and the angle between them. Try to use sine rule because it's easy. A over sine A equals B over sine B. Cosine rule is not hard unless you say Pythagoras theorem minus 2bc cos A. There are four graph transformations you need to know. Remember my tap and you're good to go. If the change happens outside the function, it affects y and does what it says on the tin. But if the change happens within the bracket, it affects x and it does the opposite.